Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Finally Crafting It. This is a monthly collab that is hosted by myself and my friend Tree Craft On. You guys, this is basically every month, the third week of the month on Wednesday. We basically take out whatever we haven't crafted with, or we have unfinished projects, or let's say that you've been hoarding those amazing items that somebody sent you and you just been hoarding them, and basically it's putting them to use, putting finishing up projects. If you need to finish projects up, you guys, you could join in at any time. If you're not able to join us at one time, that's fine. If you're able to, we would really greatly appreciate it. Just hashtag us finally crafting it, you guys. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, so I did see Brenda's from, oh my goodness, Brenda, I forgot your channel name. Oh my goodness. You start making videos, you totally forget everybody's names, and oh my goodness, I will probably put her somewhere down here, so you guys can check her out. You guys, the way she explained that on her video, I was like odd. I can't even explain it that well. But anyways, I liked how she did hers, and I think I'm gonna take that up. Take that kind of like how she did it the first time. But she did use a oh my goodness, 6x6, which I'm gonna use. But then I have some this is an unfinished six by six I have, and there's a few other items in there, so there you go. But I do have other papers that I have here, and I decided to put everything on this baggie. That way um, it all goes in the same bag, and I'm not hunting for it and going crazy looking for it. Not only did I do that, but then I do have these sleeves that I have, and then they just have a lot of projects, some projects that I haven't finished, like this one right here. So it's just basically finishing up projects that I want to finish up, and just I basically put everything on here like I said, so I don't have to like be hunting stuff down. So like just like that. Anyways, and there's another one. This is papers, pieces of papers. I have some stickers that I have, so figure we could just use that. Okay, and I got this, I believe, last year, and oh my goodness, I forget to put a tag, or at least um, write their name with the Sharpie in the back, so that way I can remember and give that person credit. I keep on forgetting that, and this is just extra that I have. So yeah, anyways, I will just go ahead and craft with this, and I will be back, or I will definitely be showing you guys what I ended up creating, just like Brenda did. I like how the way she did it, so I'm gonna kind of like use her idea, steal her idea, and or borrow it, not steal, borrow, or you guys could do it the anyways you guys like, but I liked the way she did it. So anyways, we'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm back, you guys, and I would say I could not finish the paper pads that I showed you guys, and all the paper that I had. I have it somewhere in this craft room. It is a total chaos here right now, and yeah, so let me show you guys what I ended up crafting. I did get inspired by, I believe it was Kim's Inspired Life that sent me a little mini album, and I would want to apologize if it was not her, but I ended up going with that theme. Here you go. Here it is. Oh yeah, see, it was Kim's Inspired Life. So here's the little notebook that she sent me, and as I was browsing through it, I noticed that there's stuff in here. I don't remember if I noticed that when she first sent it to me. So how cute is this? Oh my goodness. So anyways, so I took that idea and made myself, I haven't finished it, which I'm still trying to finish it off, but I made my little mini book. This is out of cardboard, and I still have to bind it together and everything, but I did use stuff that I had already created with, or that I received. I did receive this from someone. I do not recall who it was from, so I just basically pieced stuff together, And there you go. So I'm finally crafted some of these items and used it up. And here you go. So I still have to add stuff here and there, but this is just the basic logistics of it. And here is another one. So these are stickers that I had. This is a piece of ephemera that I had. And there you go. And I did die cut some tags and added them on here, as well as these right here. And just another way of sending cute happy mail. And there you go. So I still have to finish that. So that has to be done. That is not a procrastinating project. I had this done already, so I just added all these items to it, as well as this one. How cute is that? And then I did make me these bags right here with some of the paper collections that I had there. I'm still debating if I should just put a bow on this or just put the tail and, for it to be the back of the bunny. And here are the tags that I created and extra bunnies that I made. I finally finished this project right here, so you guys could see. The only thing I added was the bow and this little flower, and I thought that little girl was so cute. I did not want to cover her up. Here's another tag, and then I did make some bows with those paper pads that I had with the 6x6, and then I have another one that I made over here, and then I did have this box, the white was already completed. It was done, but I had never layered it, so I found the box, and then I decided to go ahead and layer it. So I went ahead and did that with paper pad that Lorraine Platero gifted me, so I used that right there. And then here I do have a few flowers. I made that one too. I do have a few flowers that I have not packaged, so I went ahead and packaged that. And I'm probably going to be doing that with some of the other ones that I have. And that's basically, this is all I was able to make. Yeah, I did. It's sometimes it's hard, you guys. Whenever you guys are able to create. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys join us. If you didn't join us this time, hopefully you guys are able to join us for the next finally crafting it. Again, it is every month on the third week, Wednesday of the month. And just, you guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And if you have not been subscribed to us, please go over and check us out. Again, it is hosted by me, Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and Tree from Craft On. And I will link our channels down under the description below. And you know what? I'm also going to link everybody that I've seen that participated down under the description below. Today is Wednesday, so I am a little late on uploading. So I know Brenda uploaded a video this week. I've already seen hers. I've yet to see Angelica, so I will also link her down. You guys, they have amazing projects. You guys go watch them. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.